So if we go to our cell for row at index path, here if we go through our code when we are selecting our user, in this case it's straightforward when we have a search, but when we don't have a search, so it's a standard view, we access our section title and we get our section title list index path.row, which is why we every time receive the same user here, because we are accessing the row. But what we need to do is access the section here, because we are going through to different sections. So if I replace this index path.section and run my application, and I click on my users here and go to all users, you can see that now my users are displayed correctly under each section and they are divided nicely. So if I were to search for Mike, for example, I can see Mike here only. If I were to search to user 1, it's there, and Andy is here as well. So our search is working nicely, and we can display or hide our search bar there as well. The other thing, you see when I click on my avatars here, we get printed the index path we are selecting, but nothing is happening. So in our next lecture, we are going to do it. So when I click on my avatar here, I'm going to presented with the profile view of our user. So we are going to create a profile of our user.